Welcome back. As you begin to have affiliates apply for your offers, you are going to want to manage the process. And you can do that by going into this affiliate tab inside of your vendor menu. And then when you get to your affiliate page, you're going to want to click the tab that says current affiliates. Now again, you might note that this number is going to be larger than you might expect, mainly because this will be all of the affiliates who have ever applied for your offers, even if you have either ignored them or turned them down. So you're going to click current affiliates. Now what you're going to notice is that you'll have all of your affiliates. You'll be able to look at all of the offers that they have ever been approved for and whether or not they are currently on an auto-approve basis. You can search for affiliates by typing in their WarriorPlus handle into the search bar. So once we have this affiliate on our screen, we can turn this affiliate to auto-approve. That means that anytime they apply to promote any of our offers, they're going to be automatically approved. So this is going to be for individuals that you already trust and that have an established track record and business relationship with you. You can click yes, and this will send them to an auto-approve basis. The other thing that you can do is you can click inside of this drop-down arrow. You'll be able to see the commission that they're paid. You'll also be able to see if they are placed on a delayed payment based on WarriorPlus parameters. You can go in and change those parameters by clicking this button. And you'll notice here that this individual is on a 30-day delay, meaning that even after they earn their commission, they will actually get paid 30 days after the fact. What we're going to do is we're going to change this. We're going to turn them to instant commission. This means then that any time that they earn their commission, they're going to be paid immediately into their PayPal account. We can then click Save. We can also choose to turn off their activity for a certain product. We can go in, we can click the pencil, then we can go in to their approval status and we can take them from active to denied for a particular product. And that is how you manage individual affiliates inside of your products and services on WarriorPlus. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.